Hello everybody, today I'm reviewing this light from Acebeam. The model name is Rider RX. It's a compact EDC light that uses AA sized cells. Before I start, a quick wrist check. Today I'm wearing this Oris Big Crown pointed date, which I bought recently. I will review this watch later on my channel. So the specs and dimensions. It's 3.7 inches or 99 millimeters long, 0.7 inches or 19 millimeters in diameter, and it weighs 2.9 ounces or 82 grams with a battery. It can use regular alkaline or nickel metal hydride AA cells or 14500 cells, lithium cells. It has a high CRI Nichia 219F LED emitter with a 5000 K color temperature. The main body is made of aluminum, and it has a second layer, which I will call a shell, which is made of stainless steel, and it mainly acts as a fidgeting toy in my opinion. So you can see this is the main body and this is the shell. Here is a runtime and lumen output specs sheet if you need. I just printed it for you. You can pause and read. So what I like about it, I like the high CRI emitter, although I usually like warmer tints. I like the simple user interface with 4 modes. The two-way pocket clip is nice to have. You can clip it on a cap and use it as a headlight. Let me show you it starts on ultra low, they say. So this is the ultra low, this is low, this is medium, and this is high, and then low, the ultra low. 4 modes. The fidgeting feature is nice to have, but there are some downsides to it as well. The nice thing about it is that you can make it tail stand. Without it, it won't tail stand. So I could say that this shell will protect the light if you drop it, but the shell is made of stainless steel and it adds quite a lot of weight and it will fall harder. So I don't know if it can actually protect it. The quality of the light is good. It feels as if it's well made. I'll show you how the fidgeting works. It moves right to left and then it moves down as well. So you fidget with it like this. What I don't like about it, I don't think there is an option to choose the emitter, at least a color temperature. That's a negative for me. The pocket clip is not very deep. The clip is a little bulky. Actually, not a little, it's quite bulky in my opinion. For example, if you compare it, it's very bulky. The stainless steel shell makes this light thicker, heavier, and bigger in overall. You can remove the shell and use the light without it, but the pocket clip will be the same, as bulky as it is now. Also, I wish the ultra low mode had less lumens, as I think it's a little too bright. Let me show you a closer look, and then I will try to remove the shell and show you how it looks without it. So this is the light Acebeam. On the other side, Rider RX. This is the tail switch, pocket clip, the meter, so let me try to remove the shell. So let me see which one fits in here. I think it's this. You just need to unscrew these two screws. Oh, wait a minute. Need to like this. So here is the light without the shell, and I think it looks nicer like this. But the pocket clip will be bulky, like this. Yeah, it's too big, I think, in my opinion. This is the light. Yeah, and it's like, let's check the weight. So with everything, with the clip, it's 58 grams compared to 82 grams with the shell, or 2 ounces compared to 2.9 ounces. It's quite lighter, I think. So in overall, it's a good and interesting light. It usually costs around $50 US, and I think it's a good price for this light. I will probably keep it in my collection, but I don't think I will carry it very often. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. It will help my channel to grow, which will motivate me to buy more stuff to review. Thank you for watching. Until next time.